Yeah, what's going on, guys? I believe you've seen my video on how to change RAM in your system on your laptop. Now we're going to look at how to clean a rusty RAM. You can see that this RAM is quite rusty, and therefore means it's never going to work like this. But if we happen to be able to clean it very well, we can stand the chance of still using our RAM. The first idea is taking off the rust from the teeth of the RAM, and by so doing, I'm going to keep my RAM down, use a screwdriver or a metal, something I can use to scratch the teeth off. I'm not going to apply so much force so that it's not going to tear out the teeth, but I'm just going to try to clean the teeth so the rust goes off. Alright, while I'm doing this, I want to talk a little bit about the different types of RAM. You should also know that we have different types of RAM for your system, for your laptop. We have DDR1, DDR2, DDR3, DDR4 presently. Yeah, we also have SDRAM, which is quite old, and that's for very old systems. Alright, clean this part a little. Let me also do this. Now you see this, it's cleaner. So next time you see a rusty RAM, don't just throw it away. Try to clean it and see if it's going to work. Thank you for watching.